So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Big Data Computing week first assignment first. So the first question is, what does the variety aspect of big data refer to? So these are the options: the amount of data being generated, the speed at which data is produced, the type and formats of data, the correctness of data. So now let's check the answer of our first question. Question first. Variety complexity. Variety big data is any type of data, structured data, unstructured, semi-structured. So the answer of our first question is C, the types and formats of data. Now the second question is, which of the following is used in Hadoop for distributed storage? So these are the option: Hive, HDFS, Yarn, Spark. So let's check the answer of second question. Question second, Hadoop distributed file system is the storage system of Hadoop which splits big data and distribute across many nodes in a cluster. So the answer of our second question is B, HDFS. Now the third question is, which technology enables resource management in a Hadoop cluster? So these are the option: map, reduce, yarn, HDFS, pick. So let's check the answer of third question. Question third, Hadoop yarn. Yarn is responsible for allocating system resources to the various applications running in a Hadoop cluster and scheduling tasks to be executed on different cluster node. So the answer of our third question is B, yarn. Now the fourth question is, what is Apache Spark primarily known for? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of fourth question. Question fourth, Spark benefits. Multi-stage in memory primitives provide performance up to 100 times faster for certain application. So the answer of our fourth question is D, in memory computation for fast analytics. Now the fifth question is, what does map reduces to do in the Hadoop ecosystem? So these are the option: manages job execution, provide data security, splits and process large data sets in parallel, stores data. So let's check the answer of fifth question. Question fifth, MapReduce. MapReduce is a programming model and an associated implementation for processing and generating large data set. So the answer of our fifth question is C, splits and processes large data sets in parallel. Now the sixth question is, what is the purpose of Apache Zookeeper? So these are the option: coordinates and manages distributed applications, stores massive unstructured data in memory computation, provide SQL support. So let's check the answer of sixth question. Question 6, Zookeeper. Zookeeper is a highly reliable distributed coordinational kernel. So the answer of our sixth question is A, coordinate and manage distributed applications. Now the seventh question is, why is traditional RDBMS not suitable for big data? So these are the option: it lacks GUI, it cannot support SQL, it fails to handle large volume, variety and velocity of data, it is open source. So let's check the answer of seventh question. Question seventh, where is the problem? Traditional RDBMS queries is not sufficient to get useful information out of the huge volume of data. So the answer of seventh question is C, it fails to handle large volume, variety, and velocity of data. Now, the eighth question is, a research lab is storing high resolution satellite images, videos, and sensor data from different instruments. What big data characteristics does this scenario highlight? So these are the option: volume, variety, veracity, viscosity. So let's check the answer of eighth question. Question eighth, variety, complexity, variety. Big data is any type of data. So the answer of eighth question is B, variety. Now the ninth question is, you you are developing a healthcare monitoring system using wearable sensors that stream data continuously. Which big data technologies should you consider for processing this stream? So these are the option: Spark streaming and Kafka, Hive and Pig, HDFS and MapReduce, Cassandra and Zookeeper. So the answer of our ninth question is A, Spark streaming and Kafka. Now the tenth question is, which of the following is a NoSQL database suitable for handling unstructured data? So these are the option: Oracle, Hive, Cassandra, MySQL. So let's check the answer of 10th question. Question 10th, Cassandra. Apache Cassandra is highly scalable, distributed, and high performance no SQL database. Cassandra is designed to handle a huge amount of data. So the answer of our 10th question is C, Cassandra. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.